Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing another recipe with you. So this recipe for today is from HelloFresh. This is a creamy mushroom cavatappi pasta. What I like about HelloFresh is it includes everything you need, minus like salt and pepper and butter, stuff you would already have at home. Everything comes packaged and measured out for the most part, and it's so easy. So for this recipe and any recipe, the first thing you always want to do is wash any produce and chop it up. And whenever there's scallions, they always have you separate the whites. So the first thing I did was heat up some olive oil and added my mushrooms. And then I did add some salt and pepper in there. Then I removed them to a bowl. Next I'm going to make the sauce. So I'm adding butter and the scallion whites. I'm going to let that cook for a moment until the butter melts. Then I'm going to add in the flour to make a roux. And after that has cooked for a moment, I'm going to add in some pasta water. Also cooking the noodles in the background. And then I'm going to add my milk and continuously stir until it thickens a little bit. Make sure there's no lumps in it. Next, I'm going to add the cream cheese and the butter. Once that's added, I'm going to stir it until everything is melted and incorporated. I wanted to make sure I got all of that last drip of butter out of there. There's like a garlic herb butter, and that sounded really good to me. So once all that is melted, or mostly melted, I went ahead and started adding back all the mushrooms. And when the pasta's done cooking, you could drain it and add that as well. And then I tried to mix it as best as I could. Added a little bit of salt and pepper to season it. And that was it. So I added some to a bowl, and it said to sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese and the scallion greens. This was super yummy. And if you guys would like to try HelloFresh, I have a promo code below that will save you $40. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.